Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beer with wheat only way. Start by gathering grains, hops, yeast, and clean equipment. Sanitize everything thoroughly to avoid infection. Measure water for mash and sparge precisely, and heat to the correct temperatures. Keep notes on timings and temperatures so you can repeat success. Stay relaxed and enjoy the tactile process while learning the basics of brewing wheat beer step by step. Select fresh ingredients and measure carefully before brewing so you avoid surprises. Use quality wheat malt and a matching barley base to create that classic wheat character. Keep hop additions restrained to let the wheat and yeast shine through. Maintain a consistent mash temperature to control fermentability. Aerate the wort well before pitching yeast and monitor fermentation temperatures for a clean profile. Taste along the way and adjust future batches. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy brewing with music and need reliable timers, consider the Echo Dot smart speaker for your brew space. It's compact, loud enough, and easy to control hands-free. It pairs well with brewing playlists and helps you set precise mash and boil timers without touching devices with sticky hands. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks, and now let's get back to the video. Follow a simple process so the beer develops clarity and flavor without fuss. Mash grains at the targeted temperature for a full hour, then sparge to collect wort. Boil for the scheduled time with hops added for bitterness early and aroma late. Cool wort quickly, transfer to the fermenter, and pitch yeast at the right temperature. After fermentation finishes and gravity is stable, condition in bottles or a keg until carbonation and flavor settle in.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.